This is a follow-up to my review of the Vetroo V5 CPU Cooler. As well as the V5 CPU Cooler worked in my desktop, the fan they provided made a noise. I tried capturing it on camera and the corresponding audio level with a simple app on my phone. In an attempt to remedy this, I bought an Arctic P12 PWM 120mm fan to replace the Vetroo one. It should be a simple drop-in replacement, though the colors will now be mismatched and the model also does not have RGB, not that I was using it anyways. With the Vetroo fan out, we can compare it to the Arctic fan. They are the same 120mm form, but the case width where the clips go through is thicker on the Arctic. Something I forgot to mention in my review of the cooler is they give two sets of clips, just in case you want to set up dual fans in a push-pull configuration. Attaching the Arctic fan to the cooler was a little more difficult, but not impossible. With the fan attached, let's see how it sounds. To see how well it performs, I put the side back on and performed the same test I did in the cooler review. Temps reach into the 80s fairly quickly, but when the fan does kick on high, they hover in the 60s and 70s. In the end, the top temperature of any core was 87 degrees, and this happened within the first 30 seconds of the test before the system kicked the fan up to a higher speed. Overall, I think the Arctic fan will do just fine.
The next project to tackle with this as far as cooling is the VRMs right there, highlighted with a flashlight. More on that once I have more information and know what I'm doing with it. That's it for today's video. If you like, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss any of my videos, or just come back and visit whenever you want. Yet another video sponsored wholly by me. Hopefully, it wasn't terrible.